Hello guys, this is Leafman. Today, with my brother, we are recording a what?
I don't know.
We are recording a Coca-Cola Light with a Mentos. Or Mentos. Okay, we're ready for this, huh? Come on, my video it's not good for it. Okay. Wait, are you gonna put it down? Put it in your hand. Girl? Okay. Okay. This thing doesn't work. Oh shit. Whoa. It's like a volcano there. It worked. It's fucking worked. Are you crazy? Oh god. Look at that. You wanna drink of that? I'm gonna drink that shit. Look at there. Look at that shit. It works. Okay. Okay guys. So bye. And let's go.